Hi everyone. In this question, let us read the question first. If a lens can convert the sun rays at a point 20 centimeter from its optical center, then power of lens. Very easy question like. Stop the video and solve. Okay. So it's a very easy question like they are saying converge. Converge means which lens? It is convex lens. Okay. Convex lens. Convex lens means focal length is positive. Like this. Clear? Now from sun rays are coming like this. From sun rays are coming parallel. So where it is going to meet actually at focus. So this is focal length. Image will be formed at focus, highly diminished, real inverted. Okay. So power will be 1 upon f. Okay. Now you can solve. This distance is what? They are saying 20 centimeter away. Already they have mentioned 20. Put focal length in meter. Okay. So it is 100 by 20. That is 5 diameter. Option. Which option is correct? 5 diameter. Option C. Clear? So thank you so much.